Good morning mga makulista. Time check 10:15 na ng umaga. 27 degrees Celsius ngayon. Imagine yun, maaga pa pero sobrang init na. So ganito dito sa Australia pag summer. Anyway, kaya nandito ako sa Blue Mountains. Ay mayroon akong binili na toddler bed. Ito yung mattress. Bali dalawa yung binili ko. Minessage kagabi ni Jaja na kuha namin sa Facebook Market. Dito kasi mga makulista, magaganda pa yung mga gamit na binibenta nila sa Facebook Market. So minsan 70% less compared sa bibilihin mong bago na mga mattress at saka bed sa shop. Kaya mas minambuti namin para makatipid ay sa Facebook Market muna kami nagtitingin, doon muna kami bumibili para hindi masyado mahal yung bibilhin naming mga gamit, especially sa mga bata dahil lumalaki naman sila, hindi nila gaano naman nagagamit, mabilis lang silang tumangkad. So sayang naman kung bibili ka ng napakamahal na bed tapos ilang years lang nila gagamitin. So itong toddler bed na ito nabili namin, ang original price niya sa Facebook Market ay $125 or $75 each nila binibenta. Dalawa kasi yung kinuha ko pero natawaran namin $100 na lang. So pumayag naman yung may-ari, si Luis, kaya ayun, binigay niya $100. Kinuha ko ngayong umaga. Kaya siguro magagamit nila itong toddler bed na ito the next kahit 6 years old na siguro si Isaiah, okay pa niyang gamitin sa size niya. Pero si Tali siguro mga 3 years niya rin gagamitin mga makulista. So maraming paraan para makatipid ka dito sa Australia. Unang-una na yan nga sa Facebook Market. Mga appliances, mga gamit, pwede mong bilhin sa marketplace, online. Basta matyaga ka lang maghanap. At syempre inilalagay namin sa mga suburb na may mga kaya, yung mga mayayaman, kagaya ng Northern Beaches, Blue Mountains. So mostly may mga kaya sa buhay ang mga yan, mga may-ari ng bahay, hindi sila nagre-rent. So doon namin inilalagay yung lugar. Magsa-search kami, papalitan namin sa Facebook Market para pag sinearch namin yun, maraming mga magagandang gamit na pwede mong makuha na minsan nga free na nila binibigay. Dispose lang nila yung mga gamit nila. Makulista, andito na ako sa bahay at ibababa na natin itong nabili nating toddler bed ng mga bata. Handaanin lang natin para hindi mag-discuss. Bali, maliit lang siya pero napakabigat. It's heavy. Ganda niya, no? Wala siyang damage. Toddler bed. Saktong-sakto sina ano dito, sina Tali tsaka Isaiah. Kunin natin yung ano, yung mattress. Linis pa to. Ayan. Bali, ang brand niya ay Tasman Eco for Nature. Tibay siya, mga kaulista, oh. Tasman. I think kahit ako higa ako dito, pwede. Ayun siya, oh. Kasya pa rin ako, mga kaulista. Matibay siya, oh. Sabi. Ang bigat ko, 85 kilos ako eh. Oh, kasya ako dito sa toddler bed. Siya, kasya ka dito. Meron pang isa, kunin natin. Ay, sobrang bigat. Uy, bigat siya, mga kaulista. Lagyan natin yung mattress pa na isa. Alam niyo ba, gustong gusto ko itong ano namin, Land Cruiser, itong Prado. Namin akong nabili sa Facebook Market. Gamit lang itong sasakyan na ito. Napaka-reliable. Oo, ha, di ba? Bali, magkakatabi kasi itong dalawa, si Tali at si Isaiah. Ang plan namin ay ilagay lang namin sila sa isang kwarto. Magkahiwalay sila ng higaan. So, feeling ko mag-i-enjoy sila dito. What do you think, Sia? Ha? You're gonna love this one, isn't it? Samahan mo ako, yakit natin sa taas. Sia? Ha? Buhatin mo tong mattress. Tapos, tulungan mo ako iakit itong isang bed, no? Mabigat eh, ha? Okay. Ayan, susubukan ni Ate Sia. Antok na antok pa si Ate Sia. Lie down properly. Kasya ka? Oh, di ba? Kasya. I think 50 kilos ata si Ate Sia. Matangkad din siya eh. So, ipapasok na namin sa loob. Marami pa rin kalat. Kalahati pa lang yung nalilinisan ko. Ito, tatapon na natin yung mga yan. Mga hindi kailangan. Tara Sia, let's bring the bed upstairs. Let's go. Para pagdating nung mga kapatid mo mamaya, dahil nag-church si Isaiah at saka si Tali. Para ma-surprise sila. Oh. Tara.
Oh, they're so cute. Do you like your beds?
Wow! Pag-isa sila.
Wow.
Bed?
You like your bed?
See, what do you think?
Ha?
Go lie down, Tali. See if you can fit in your bed. Take off your shoes, Kuya. Go on the bed, Tali.
Properly.
Ay, kita panty mo eh. No jumping, ah. No monkeys. Yeah, stay here. Oh.
Yeah, come on.
Diba? Lie down in your bed.
Nakatulungan niyo po eh.
Yeah, matagal-tagal pa yan hanggang 5.
Wow.
Lie down, kuya, lie down. Tommy,
You like their bed?
you like it?
Ha?
Inside.
Oh, inside na down. Nagyaya na magkape yan. Oh, ito. You like it, guys? Are you gonna help me to bring it upstairs?
I can play with it.
Ha?
Asang saan ka ba may rail?
Oh, isang side lang, ate. Oh. Ano? You like it? Comfy? Comfy? Ano itong dalawang ito? Galing sila sa church. Pagsamba ng kabataan, mga makulista. House church?
Good.
Did you sleep there? Yes. What about you, kuya? What did you learn? What did you learn? Huh? Nothing? Nothing learned? Oh, you help me bring upstairs? Okay, let's go. You carry the mattress.
I'm going to go right here.
Huh?
It's the go. But I can you help with this?
Yes, yes, I'll bring it upstairs. Oh, sige na, get inside, get changed first. Go, it's heavy. Alright guys, pack up your stuff for school.
But we need to get change.
Yeah, get changed ka muna. Tali, get changed first. Please, hurry up. Tali. Para ano, ko na, maipasok ko na sa taas yung bed nyo. Go. Come on guys. Let's go. Up. Come on. Say hi everyone. Ayan mga makulista, mayroon kaming malaking problema ngayon. At itong si Isaiah ay... Anong problema mo na? What's your problem? What's your problem? You don't wanna clean? Because you're lazy? Tali will help you. Tali help kuya, okay? Okay, let's go. Let's go guys, so I can vlog your cleaning. Let's go! Guys, no fighting please. Come on, just give it back to Tali. Ate Way will sort out later on. Come on. That's okay. Ate will sort out later as long as you put inside the bag. Just give it to her, please. Give it to her, Isaiah. Sige na, pack up. Come on, guys. Bring in the other room. Good job, guys. When you're cleaning up, be happy. Okay? Are you going for holiday? That's your holiday bag. Oh, go. All my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. Bye. You going to the airplane?
No.
You going to the airplane? Be happy when you're cleaning up. You understand me? Psst, boy, you need to be happy when you're cleaning up. Okay? Understand? Okay, come on. Keep cleaning up. Hang your clothes.
Can I put it in the room?
Put in the hanger.
No.
Yes.
Can you help me?
Tali will help you.
Never mind.
What is that, Nak?
Nana made it for you.
Wow. Did you put foam on it?
No, what is
Oh my goodness me. Special coffee, guys. Woohoo. Let's drink it. Hey guys. Coffee. Pistachio coffee. Very yummy. Hindi na kami bumibili ng kape dahil nga mayroon kaming coffee machine na binili namin sa Costco. Tapos yung coffee beans namin ay galing Perth. Pinadala nila BJ at Charlene and Blessy. Thank you so much. Shout out sa inyo dyan sa Perth. Tsaka kay Baby Marty too. Yum coffee. Very yummy. Mahal din kasi ang coffee dito sa Australia. Siguro yung ganitong coffee nasa $6 or $6.50. Depende sa flavor. Ito, ano lang, siguro mga $1 or 50 cents lang kasi kami na gumagawa sa kape. Alright guys. Kakain na kami. Magluluto si Ate Sia ng corned beef. Siya ang aming chef today. Dahil kami lang ang naiwan dito. Si Tali, si Isaiah, si Sia, at saka itong baby namin, si Jaja, may trabaho siya ngayon. So, ayan, samahan nyo kami the whole day today. Tapos i-set up din natin yung bed ng dalawang bata. Andun sila sa ngayon sa taas, naglilinis pa rin hanggang ngayon. Oh, ayan guys, kumakain na kami. Meron kaming niluto ni Ate Sia, corned beef. Oh, ito yung sayo, Isaiah.
I have one.
Oh, put this one so you can, because there's a sabaw. That's why. Eat from there. Tapos si Tali, nilagyan niya ng ketchup. Anak ng teteng.
The ketchup too, yeah.
No, you have to taste it first before, si Tali kasi lahat ng pagkain niya may ketchup.
I just ate
Oh,
one before.
that's it guys. Ayan guys.
Rice.
Kain na kami. Ayan na yung rice sa'yo, oh.
Dad,
Okay na muna yan. Oh,
Dad, what's my food razor?
your razor. What's that?
No, what's for food razor?
Oh, pizza. You want pizza?
This one. I want pizza.
We can buy pizza. If you want.
Yeah.
Kain tayo, mga makulis na, oh. Corned beef.
Grabe.
Grabe,
Ada.
sarap.
Ada. Ada. Ada.
Sarap, corned beef. Grabe, yummy.
Rice.
Yummy.
Grabe. Almost grab it.
Oh, say bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye. To our channel.
Si Ate Sia, mamaya pa kakain. Ayun. Siya pa daw ang magbabantay kay, kay Baby Aya. Say subscribe. Bye. Bye, guys.
Subscribe.
It's heavy, guys. It's heavy. Woo. It's really heavy. Hindi ko alam kung maiaakit ko ito sa taas nang wala akong kasama. Siguro papatulong na lang ako kay Ate Sia. It's really heavy talaga. Okay guys. So si Ate Sia, tutulungan niya akong iakyat sa taas. Ang nagbibideo ngayon ay si Kuya Isaiah. So let's go, Isaiah and Tali. Keep it up there.
I can't you.
It's not gonna fit, guys.
Yeah.
Hang on. Have to close this door first. Move, Isaiah.
Daddy. Say, oh my god. No! No
Doon
close
ka,
the
doon ka.
ball.
Tali, alis ka dyan. Dito ka. Go. Maiipit ka dyan eh. Okay, let's go. Tali, don't go there. You're gonna ipit there.
Daddy!
Tali.
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, go.
Can I
Are you
pick
already, Sia?
Can
Or it's too heavy for you?
Pretty. Sorry. Daddy.
Break. Wala na. Ay, hindi marunong mag-video si...
Daddy just got it from
Don't put your finger there, ha?
Daddy put your finger.
Alright guys, break. Ate Sia is struggling.
How
So-
did I move it like here?
Break. I think you can do it. Okay, ready?
Isaiah, wait, can you go upstairs?
Go upstairs, Isaiah.
Go upstairs.
Can I go upstairs?
No. You taking video at the back.
The video's on and my finger's not there. Look.
Isaiah,
Yeah.
taking video. Struggling, guys. Don't turn
Daddy.
around yet. Don't turn around too early.
I don't
Put it down.
turn around.
Put it down.
Tatay. Oh.
Can you move the stairs down one?
You want down?
Yeah.
Hi guys, today I did this and so
Isaiah.
now so guys
All right, guys.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Let's see. Let's see. Open.
Who's sleeping here?
it was mine.
Here. This
So-
is your bed.
It's mine.
So who's gonna sleep this side?
Me.
Okay. I'll go. Get in.
Here then.
Get in.
It's here.
Get in.
He needs to get it still. Here.
And then sleep here.
You gonna sleep there?
You sleep like this, okay?
It's
It's like this.
yeah.
I'm just kidding. We're gonna go.
What about you, Isaiah? Where do you want your bed? Where do you want your bed? You want in this corner? So where we gonna saksak
And then Tony goes.
Tony.
It's time because
Yeah, here,
baby.
You can put Tony there.
Yeah.
No, we're gonna put it up there so they don't play with it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, go play with Tiny in the bed.
Punch, punch, punch.
You don't do that.
Very matibay, guys. You can jumping in the bed.
Not mommy.
And now it's gonna break.
Baby.
You,
Baby boss.
guys, you can sleep together. You can fit. Try it.
Yeah, lie down, lie down.
Lie down. Try it. Oh, see?
You just sleep here, okay?
No. This is Korean. This is Korean.
This is yours.
Let's get the other bed.
Yes. I am.
Now is Isaiah's turn. Don't open your eyes. Go, Ate Sia. Don't open your eyes yet. Finally, don't open. Don't open. Open your eyes.
Yes. Yeah, this is mine.
This is yours.
Oh, ayan. Bali, ang magiging setup mga makulista. Dito, si Tali. Tapos si
You have to say
Isaiah naman dito.
This bed. Go to your bed.
Grabe.
Oh, go there, Isaiah. That's your
Grabe. Ang hirap. How much you struggle 1 to 10? 1 is easy, 10 is the hardest.
That was, it's 100.
100. It's really hard. This bed is harder, but they are the same size. So ayan mga makulista.
There.
So bibilihan na lang namin ng cover yung bed nila today. Ay nako. Oh, sige, bye guys. Say bye. Bye.
Kmart.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, mamaya mo na. Oh, please subscribe
Subscribe.
and share. Ganda ng view dito sa amin, oh. Sa likod ng bahay.
Oh, don't put it.
Ganda, no?
Ta-da!